What he's barking at? What he's barking at? I'm barking. Oh, so he throws stuff at me. Okay, tear it up, Odin. Did your paper get you? Yeah, we just didn't get the middle. Silly dog. So, how about from the outside edge to the middle?
Put it up here.
Yeah, 21 1/4. Then you need 1.5 inches on each side because you said it was 3 inches.
Shit.
I'm just saying, I bet you from this long, if it's not going to be right.
Because this sheet, I just told you.
Hold on, middle is 85 3/8. I was trying to fix it so you made one straight cut over here. Now that's directly in the middle, so you have to be 1.5 inches over, so you don't need.
Like this, you can see the side. It's a side from hell. It is. It's a side from hell. Let's find out.
You measured it.
Transitioning from the tent to the cabin. Yes, in about 3 months, we're transitioning. Yeah, isn't that right? Yeah, okay. Cleaning up everything. Cleaned up, stacked up some wood. Took the leaf blower out. Love it. That thing's bad to the bone. But I got a lot of cleaning up to do out here. It'll get there. Got a lot of trees to take out too. So, you saw the window that we got in, the door that we got in. We got it all nice and clean. Bed's in there by the window so I can work on the loft area tomorrow because it's supposed to rain all day. We've got a few things to do in here for sure. We're gonna stay in the cabin tonight.
I said, Coda's probably thinking, there was a little biscuit and owe to yourself and thought, boy, you got a guy around, he's gonna steal my crap, he's just gonna beat his ass up.
Yeah. First night in the cabin. Some old beams. Pretty sure these are true 4x6 beams from the old milk barn is what I'm assuming, because they're white. And we're gonna plane them down with a $60 planer that I need to get a new reset for. But it works, so at least hopefully it works for all this. But make sure there's no nails. We swept it off. Looks like they used just nothing but lag bolts and bolts. Take off just probably 1/16 of an inch on each side. This one's got nails all in it. This is another beam, but it's also got a sharp bend at the end. It's warped. But this is going to be the middle tie going across in the cabin, and then have one that goes up to grab the roof. So just extra reinforcement, keeps the walls from bowing out, and it keeps the middle strong, which it's pretty strong anyway, but just extra reinforcement.
See, it says down 3/4 of 3/64, 1/32, and then 1/16 a half turn.
Yeah, I just gotta sweep off the other side. Hey guys, we're headed to go out fishing for some striper and some white bass today. Might get in on a few walleye and some cats. It's the best time of year right now. Water's around 50-something degrees. So we're over in the Beaver Lake, Arkansas area. You can see it just got a lot of rain out here last week, about 4 inches plus. So you can get boats underneath the bridge, but you'll be hitting your rods if you don't put them down. Ramp's probably underwater, or maybe not all of it, evidently, but I think the most of it probably is, because it's up high. And there's the Highway 12 bridge, which is it's definitely up. I've been under this bridge fishing many times. Crazy weather, storms. It blew me out all the way across there one time. So yeah, we're headed to War Eagle. That is like our hot spot. We like to fish the most. Alright, it's time to unload. Looks like it's gonna be a good day, I hope. The water level's almost absolutely perfect, to be honest. Look at Coda laying in the water. What a goof. Oh, that's awesome. I think that's a female. If not, it's a pretty good male. Hold on. Wow, I think that's a female, yeah. A good eater right there. You got the
stringer's over here by you.
Yeah, I think that's it's not a big female, but I'm pretty sure that's, I don't know, it may be a male. It's a good one. It's bigger than the ones we caught last year.